Alright, welcome back to the Blender 3 Docwalks. This is going to be really short. We're just going to be talking about the splash screen really quickly here. When Blender starts, you'll see the splash screen. Within the splash screen, there are a couple of separate sections. Now, you can see here that there is a Getting Started area. These links can all be found in the Help menu, up here in the corner. Okay, now when Blender starts, you can dismiss the splash screen by either clicking outside of the splash screen itself or by hitting the Escape button. The information region is here at the top. It's the top part. You get the version number and just a couple of other little tidbits that may or may not be necessary at the time. The new file section, these are all templates. You can click any one of these and it will open up it will start a Blender session with those particular parameters specific to that task. Obviously, open will bring up a browser window. You can go to whatever, browse through your file system and go to whatever or wherever the project is that you're looking for, that you're going to work on. The Recover Last Session option basically collects information from the most recent temp files and rebuilds that session if say your computer shut down or you weren't able to save it or whatever the case might be. Over here, these are your most recent files. You can see my fun names there. And if you notice in the documentation here, there's a Getting Started area. Once you start your first file and save it, that will no longer show up, as you can see on my screen here. These are all saved files. That's it for this one. I told you it would be a rather short one, so let's go ahead and move on to the next one.